Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bing Webmaster Tools for SEO indexing checks, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Bing Webmaster Tools website. On the home page, locate the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed to the login page. You will be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Input your email address associated with your Microsoft account. Once you have entered your email, click on the Next button. Now, enter your password in the designated field. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you may need to complete that process now. After entering your password and completing any security checks, click Sign In. Upon successful login, you will be redirected to your Bing Webmaster Tools dashboard. If you have multiple sites, select the one you want to check from your dashboard. On the left side menu, locate the Configure My Site section. Click on Crawl Control to check your indexing status. From here, you can view the indexing status of your website. You may also check for any crawl issues that need attention. To analyze specific pages, go to the Reports and Data section. Select Search Queries to review how your site is indexed by Bing. This information can help optimize your SEO strategies. You can also explore other tools offered in Bing Webmaster Tools for further analysis. As you explore these features, consider implementing any suggestions for improving your site's performance. That concludes the process for logging into Bing Webmaster Tools and checking your SEO indexing status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.